for racing. Race number 5. And the rough. We've got a speed scramble at the start of the race. Moving up, Virgin Island 3 wide. In between horses, Fabiola Power Negotiator also showing speed, and so was Tigerific. And going along for the first turn, Virgin Island at the center. Fabiola is vital. Moving up is Power Negotiator. Then 3 lengths back and forth is a Tigerific. Joker comes next. Prince Carlo is racing in 6 alongside Mr. Jego. Hakuna Matata, Sound Value. Next in line is a Red Hot Water. Ingay while Dugo's favorite. Now running at the tail of the field. Past the half mile, the lead now belongs to the super mega outstanding favorite, Power Negotiator. I like the way her traveling at this point of the race. It's still Power Negotiator by about 3 lengths. Virgin Island remains in second, 4 lengths back in third is a Fabiola. Tigerific still in fourth, then followed over by Prince Carlo. Alongside comes Mr. Jego. Moving up on the outside, Red Hot Water and Joker. But it's still Power Negotiator maintaining a 3 lengths lead as they reach the final corner. Power Negotiator, Virgin Island remains in second. Tigerific now in third, then followed over by Fabiola. Power Negotiator maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Virgin Island still in second, then comes Fabiola and Tigerific. Prince Carlo entering the wire. It's going to be a close finish between Virgin Island, Power Negotiator, Fabiola, Tigerific, then Red Hot Water.